For those of you who are back after I recognize some faces, thank you for continuing. It's 8 films in one day is a lot, but it's a special situation. For those who are just coming this evening, I'd like to say, well, 1 or 2 things about seeing the films very briefly, since many people in the audience have already heard me say this in one way or another. Most films are made to be read. The images actually represent spoken language ideas, dramatic ideas, and so forth. And in this case, if you try to look at my films and try to make them speak, talk to you in terms of a language, some language meaning, you're going to find them very frustrating. It'll seem confusing. On the other hand, if you just see them for what they are, which is the very presence of the screen, how that manifests as energy, and how on the cut we then renew the freshness of the energy, and it almost like a key change in music. And in a way, they're very simple that way. We're going to show 4 films. The first one we're going to see is called A Summer. It's not a film describing the season of summer. I called it Summer only because I made it, and I said, what is the most honest title for me at the time for what this film was? And the answer was, it was summer. I made it during the summer. And so it's not so much about summer as it comes from me, it's of me in summer. Okay, and then we'll go on.